Hello everyone, welcome back to WoW Creator Channel. In the previous video, a viewer suggested a very interesting idea. He wanted to see a clash between two incredibly powerful energy forces, Godzilla, the new empire, and the protector of the ocean, a descendant of the Krakens, Ruby Gillman. Ruby Gillman is a fascinating character. She doesn't know that she's a Kraken because her powers are only activated when she's underwater. In a moment of accidentally jumping into the ocean, Ruby transformed into a giant Kraken with bioluminescent suction cups on her fingers. As for Godzilla, we're all quite familiar with him. This version of Godzilla was inspired by the movie Godzilla, Kong, the New Empire. After absorbing the pink radiation from Tiamat, Godzilla's atomic breath has also turned pink. Godzilla's presence here is truly intriguing. Perhaps he sensed Ruby's immense energy when she transformed into a Kraken and believed the people in this area needed protection. Godzilla's sudden appearance caused fear among everyone, including Ruby Gillman. Thus, a fierce battle erupted in the ocean. Will Godzilla and Ruby Gillman realize that their mission is to protect humanity on Earth? Watch the video to witness the exciting developments. And here is the ELEGOO Mars 5 Ultra 3D printer that I introduced at the beginning of the video. With many outstanding improvements, it's clear that these technologies are at the forefront of the 3D printing industry. First, let's talk about the build plate, designed for quick installation and removal. Its laser-etched surface provides superior adhesion, preventing warping or peeling during printing. The LCD screen is protected by durable 9H tempered glass, offering excellent scratch and damage resistance. AI camera, acting as your eyes to give you full control over the printing process. Smart tilting technology effortlessly achieves an extremely fast printing speed of up to 150 millimeters per hour. The solid metal frame of the Mars 5 Ultra is built to stand the test of time. With meticulous engineering, this printer is designed to handle countless hours of printing while maintaining excellent print quality and reliability. With smart self-checking and automatic leveling functions, the Mars 5 Ultra allows users of all skill levels to dive straight into the creative process. No more hassle with setup or tedious calibration. Just unbox, power up, and print. One feature of the ELEGOO Mars 5 Ultra that I'm very pleased with is its tightly sealed cover. It allows me to work right next to the printer while it's running without being affected by the resin odor. However, I don't recommend you do the same. By fine-tuning the exposure time for each layer, you can achieve precise results. Clear resin prints won't yellow, and leftover resin in the vat is preserved from yellowing after printing. And now I've nearly completed a super vibrant boat with so many intricate details, all created using the ELEGOO Mars 5 Ultra 3D printer. This is a printer packed with a lot of new technology, making it easy, safe, and extremely efficient for users. You could say the ELEGOO Mars 5 Ultra is the perfect resin 3D printer for beginners. You've been asking me a lot of questions so far, so now I want to ask you one. When are you going to get your own ELEGOO Mars 5 Ultra 3D printer? If you're interested in this device, the shopping link is right below in the video description. I'm going to quickly sculpt a Godzilla using polymer clay, and then make a mold to cast a new version in resin. With this method, I can easily create the atomic energy light effects for Godzilla. If you want to see the detailed steps of the sculpting process, you can check out the video How to Make a Diorama Godzilla Attacks Marineford Naval Headquarters on the Lavo Creator YouTube channel. In that video, I'll guide you through each step-by-step of sculpting Godzilla. I'm going to create a large wave using resin. Resin art always gives a really impressive look, but with a wave this size, it's going to require a huge amount of resin. I also care about protecting the environment, so I'll be minimizing the amount of resin I use in my work. How can I meet both of these goals? Follow along in the video to see how I tackle this challenge. If you're wondering what material I'm using to shape the waves, let me tell you, it's air-dry clay. After being exposed to air for a while, it hardens. This type of clay doesn't need to be baked like polymer clay. Finally, I'll apply a layer of resin over the sculpted wave. The wave will look more vibrant, with brighter colors and a transparent effect, creating a very natural water surface. As usual, another vibrant and captivating piece has been completed. Thank you for watching the video until the very end. Your support is incredibly valuable to my efforts. See you in the next video. Don't forget to leave comments and suggestions for future videos. Goodbye and see you soon.